Storm Shanti rained heavily, added more flood in our area. This is the first time it reached our home. In my lifetime, I never experienced this kind of flooding, and it reached beyond my computer set. It was 5 a.m. in the morning when I woke up. I started to get all of my things. And luckily, we have able to manage to get all of the computers upstairs. You can see there's still some cables left. No power. At that time, we are very confused. Still, we managed to get all of our stuff, important stuff, upstairs. It's very muddy now. Good thing the water receded. The water got like 4 inches. All of our stuffs are now upstairs.
Hi. Hi, I'm Dennis.
This is the kitchen. See, erase all of the important things, pictures, documents. We already cleaned up this place, so there's no more mud. Hi, Dennis. Naputikan ka. All of my kids are sleeping at that time upstairs, 5 to 5:30, when the river on the right side of our area receded. I mean, finished.
Panood tayo sa TV. Pag naanoan ng lupa, parang giging ano na.
My shot earlier at 7 a.m. was corrupted, so I was not able to retrieve the video. I got this area flooded. I'm very surprised. This is the back side of our area. So you can see branches torn up by the strong winds. There's no sentimental value now. See, all the branches are in our home. Once you get all of our stuffs here, we are not prepared this time. The first earlier videos I had, still managed to rescue some of my computers, especially the kids. I was able to save Richie, my dog, and Daniel Bonel.
I'm a ninja. Fight. I don't need. Hey, people!
Pahabol. Palengke is still up, running. This was flooded earlier, around 7 a.m. Now, this one has receded. Eva is talking about the flood. In the wee hours of the morning, I heard kicking sounds in front of the shop. That's when I noticed that our floor was already filled with water, about 3 inches.